Hey guys, it's Josh without a trail. On this one, we're gonna do something a little bit different. We're gonna be swapping out the tail lights in the truck. Pretty much any truck's gonna be pretty much similar. The only difference, I'm not gonna do any of the work. I'm gonna make my 7-year-old do it, just so it can show you that you can do this yourself. So, and in our case, we need a little Torx bit. I'm gonna get the camera set up here and kind of talk him through it. But, all right, come here. All right, see these screws? You're gonna take those out. Other way, you're tightening. There you go. Use it all the way. Just there. You can use your hand. Alright. See this right here, this whole piece? Wiggle it out. Pull it straight out. There we go. Alright, bring it over here. Now let it sit there. See this? This little plug on the back? You're going to twist it up. Same way you the other way. There you go. Pull it out. Good job. Alright, pull that bulb out. And then we're going to do a new one here. Socket. Think it's gonna be good enough. Alright, we'll twist it back until it pops in. Yeah, it goes in place. Alright, I'll tighten it down. Throw it back in. We're not gonna start the screws yet, because I did get the wider light tail lights, and I want to see how much brighter they are, because I went and bought 2 packs. I don't want one light being way brighter than all the others. So we're gonna just turn the lights on, at least attempt to. There we go. So we got to replace the other one too, so that worked out. Am I going to pull this back out? Go ahead and start taking that over. Other one, other one. One that's lower. Need some help on that one?
Yeah.
The sad part is this was a good one. Alright, screw it in there. Make sure it's level. There you go. Put it back in here. Alright, hold on. I'll make sure they're both working. Alright.
It fell.
Yeah, you didn't seat it in there all the way. Alright, so.
That was
pushing it on in there all the way. Keep your hands clear of the wires.
Yeah.
There you go. Alright, so put that back in there. This one back in there. And there you are. That is how you change out your taillights. It's just that simple. This applies to most trucks. If you got a car, an SUV, this does not apply to you. If you want to see something like that, definitely leave a comment and we can show something like that, because there's a little bit of trim that has to be removed, as well as on some of them you just have to get behind the trim. But for the most part, that's pretty much it. We're going to go ahead and put these screws back in. Good. Start them all by hand. Oh, you dropped it. That's fine. Go ahead and start that one. So you got that one, now I gotta find this other one. Not have to be super tight. Just tight enough. Yeah, it's tight enough.
Yeah.
Alright, let's see it. Alright, good job. Alright, that's good. It's super tight. Alright guys, that's pretty much it on this one. It's very simple to do yourself. Takes only on a truck. Like I said, this applies to most trucks. Takes roughly 5 minutes. Now you might occasionally run into the piece that holds the assembly into the truck right in here, like here and here, being a little stiff. Good trick. It's kind of just to bump it over there, unless you have some like body panel pieces or tools. I don't have any of those, but that also doesn't really require, just usually a nice little tap on the side towards the rear of the vehicle, break it loose, and you're good. So that's it for this one. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, hit that subscribe button. Definitely hit the like button. It helps out a whole lot. And of course, if you want to see something else or see something specific to you, leave it in the comments and we'll try to get around to it when we can. Thanks for watching.